What is going on, guys? It's Jimbo50 here. I got a very exciting day for you. Today, Scarlett here is going to be getting a whole front end makeover. Now, what I have in these boxes, I'm super psyched about, and I've been waiting a very long time to get these things. Today, we're gonna be putting them on the car. So I know what you're thinking here. No, the Camaro is not going to be getting a plow anytime soon. The plow is out here for the truck. And it's that time of year where I start getting ready for the snow season. What are we in September now? So I had a buddy, he did some welding for these light mounts and stuff. So anyway, that's a whole nother project. Back to the car. So we're gonna put Scarlett tucked in there, have some nice space, get her up in the air and start taking her apart. Really excited about it. So let's go ahead and open up box number 1. So this is, I believe, I haven't opened any of these yet, so I'm really excited to see what they look like. I believe these are parts for the grill. Yeah, I'm putting a new grill in the car. I'm gonna tell you why. So, I love the look of this grill. I really do, I like it. I like having a pony. However, what I don't like about this grill, I don't know if you can see it, but you see how there's an outline here? It's like so boxy, and I just absolutely hate it. And from far away walking up to the car, it really stands out, and I don't like the look of it. I actually ordered through AmericanMuscle.com some new grill pieces. And so this would be for the lower there. That looks really cool. Awesome. Now let's check out the other. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh man. And this is the upper portion of the grill. This is gonna look sweet. Set that in there like that. Now that is pretty cool. Now that's a totally different look on the car, but I kind of like it. It's a very clean look. And what I'm kind of going off of here, if you look at my rims, you know, they kind of have like the straight bars and stuff. So I was kind of mimicking that design and have that look kind of carry out throughout the car. Well, these are the MMD B-Series grill, both upper and lower portions. I think total for the top and bottom, they were about $450 or something like that. You know, they're not cheap, but they're kind of cool looking. So anyway, let's check out the bigger box. This is the front splitter from APR. This is something I wanted to get for the car since like the day I bought it. I've had the car like 2 years now. I've always thought the splitters looked really cool on these things, so I finally ordered it. Just gonna be very careful cutting this open. Lay it down. Oh my God. This thing is sweet. Carbon fiber. Wow. This is really cool. I've never felt anything carbon fiber in my life, like actually held it. This is pretty awesome. Wow. That is gonna look so cool on that car. Always protect your knees, I'm telling you. I love how you jack it up from the front, but it still up the back. I'd say that's about good. I don't think we need much higher than that. Now I'm going right to the K member here. It's a pretty strong point in the car. You know what these are? This is a ShamWow. ShamWow! Remember that? No? Okay. She is off the ground. Give her a nice little shake. She passes the shake test. Now these tires are pretty cool. The Pirelli P0s. They're going next week. Getting new ones. Michelin Pilot Sports 4S. The rears are completely shot. They are toasted without question. First, pop the hood. We don't need to open the door for that. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna notice here is that I upgraded to the pistons. Really cool, because Ford sucks with this shit. And if you haven't seen my video on it, click the link above, because it is definitely worth watching, I'm telling you. There's basically just a bunch of pins everywhere. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So take this off, then we're gonna go on the side and the underneath, and then pop her right off. So let's get that going. All right. Oh yeah, one more thing about these wheels. So I'm getting the tires replaced next week. This back one actually has a chip in the rim somewhere when last time I had work done on it. Anyway, I got a replacement going on. So this one I'm gonna take off and keep as a spare and maybe make it into like a coffee table or something, get a piece of glass for it. So that's my plan for that. All right, so I'm gonna go around with the flathead screwdriver, pop all these pins out, real simple, pry it up. And then she should just, we don't want to scratch anything. All right, you want to go gently with this because, you know what? I wouldn't even use a screwdriver. I'll show you what to use. Okay, so I would recommend using just a little plastic, little spudger thing they call it. You use a metal screwdriver, you're gonna end up scratching this thing up, and we don't wanna do that. So this is gonna work just as well. God dang it, maybe it's not, I don't know. Some of these are really hard to get to. Another Ford thing, I guess. God dang, that one's not coming up. Let's try this one. All right. Who the hell is calling me? Talk to me.
What are you doing?
Working.
Doing what?
Working on Scarlett. Oh, so Jamie's afraid of dirt bike riding now.
What do you mean?
I mean, is I called him up to ask him if he'd want to go with us, and he literally told me he's afraid.
What do you mean he's afraid? What does he say? Like you're risky or something?
He just like, I grew out of it. I'm like, no you didn't, dude. It's a motor. How can you not like that? And then, yeah, kind of childish now. I don't have time for that. And then he's like, it only takes a second to fall. So he's like, but if you don't go, I'll be down to hang out. So I go, yeah, let's, we can hang out at your house and play with bubble wrap. All right, so now we got all those pins out. This is gonna come right off like that. Very nice, that's what I'm talking about. We don't even need this thing anymore. We have pistons, we could take this off. I'm gonna take that off. So now that we got this top cover plate thingy off, we're gonna go underneath and do the same thing, but on the bottom. So use your screwdriver for that one. What do we got? What do we got? Okay, we got one here. Just start popping all these. Scarlett, why are you so dirty under here? Oh man, there are so many. Oh gosh, and there's some bolts, screw. Oh my God. All right, well, let's just keep it going with these pins. All right, our pins are out. Now, I don't know what this is. This does not look factory. That looks very messy. Okay, so I believe we got, all those are out. We got 1, 2 screws here, another one here, another one here. So maybe after that, we're free. Take the drill. I'll tell you what, I love working with the door open to get the fresh air, but it is so hot right here. It's almost not even worth it. No, it was an 8. No, it wasn't an 8. It's not a 6, that means it's a 7. Would you look at that? I think we're free, boys. Now, there's 2 more things we gotta do. There is a screw that holds this in right here. Now we gotta get to that. Don't know how we're gonna do it yet. I'm gonna turn my wheel here. Get it out of the way. I'm thinking we gotta pop this inner wheel well off. Push to release. Huh. Well, that's cool. Why can't the other ones be like that? That's really cool. There's a little screw in there. That's gonna suck. Well, that's just a bitch. Can we go in from the inside? No, we can't go in from the inside. Oh, this is gonna suck. Okay, so I would just say push this back, get in there with your socket. Why would they do this? I mean, I got it going. Honestly, there's no easy way to tell you guys how to do this. You just gotta suck it up and figure it out on your own. Get the socket on there, hold it on with one hand. What if we use one of these things? Think we could do that? Put an extension on the drill. Maybe, just maybe. Okay, it's on there. Now drill. Well, that didn't work. Now did it? Son of a bitch. This sucks. This is probably one of the hardest things I've ever done in my life. I don't even know how they can make a robot to put that in. That sucked ass. Let me just give it a yank. Unclips just like that. All right, now we just gotta do it again on the other side. Okay, I got it. 1/8 inch turn at a time. Glenn just showed up.
Yeah, dude, why is there shit falling from the sky?
It's getting all dirty. Come on, look at this. Clean it. Why isn't it clean?
I know, it's not clean.
So this is Ben's Jeep Wrangler, and he got these stickers here. Rubicon. That's it, custom. $50,000 sticker right there. Yeah.
I gotta look at the weather and see if I can keep the top down all week.
Got the winch. Pulled himself out when he gets stuck in a pothole. He gets stuck in a pothole, he gotta pull himself out. I was shocked. I've never heard him play his radio before that like that. Unbelievable. All right, so I got these bolts out. That was a bit, what? Yeah, give me water. I got these bolts out. That was a pain in the ass, but now the whole bumper is loose and ready to come out. It is so hot, but I love working with, I can't even say I love working with the door open, because with the door open, it's just sweltering hot. Otherwise, it's like air conditioning in here. But then if the air's on, then it's like, it's too tight in here. I don't know.
I'm gonna have to go pick up my truck soon.
Perfect timing. Now I can put you to work.
Not working.
Where's your truck?
It's at the shop.
For what? Get a new one. 3,500.
Yeah, dude, yeah.
For
I
eight,
saw one on the side of the road.
get a nice 2015 3,500 for
like 10 grand.
For 10 grand. That's what Jamie's getting.
That's it.
He's starting to.
I want to tell him. I want to be like, I feel like you have no awareness on how much things cost.
You ready? Hold on. Before we do anything, this has got to go down.
I'm not working.
You are working.
I'm just gonna hang out.
I'm putting you to work.
I'm not working.
Putting you to work, boy. Oh wait, hold on. Is that a screw? Do I get to pull that?
That?
I think I gotta take those.
you gotta take that off, dude.
Oh, do I gotta take all of these? Oh wow, I'm not ready. I thought I was ready. I'm not ready.
Come on, you don't even know this shit.
I don't know. I'm doing it as I go, man.
You didn't watch the YouTube video on how to do it first?
I'm making the YouTube video.
There we go. See, this is how you get the view.
That's how you get the view. Even there's already like 30 videos
next
out.
Next year, a bunch of people will be like, how did I fucking take this bumper off? So look it up, and there you are.
There I am. I can't believe I didn't even know these were here. By the way, why does this camera get so hot?
I don't know.
It's like scorching hot. Look at this. Why? Look at all these big bolts, and they put one little puny one there. Why do they do that?
Now you gotta adjust everything.
Now I gotta get a whole nother socket out.
You gotta adjust it.
Unreal. Hey, you see I took this bar out? It's on pistons now.
You saw those?
Yup. Yep.
Wow.
Yeah.
You did.
Real deal.
You did.
Yup. All by
Wow.
myself.
You installed
See, listen.
this? Look,
Look.
look, over there.
Ready? Look.
So how many bolts are there? There's 1, 2.
That's it. Done.
That's it.
Well, a third
Easy
one,
way.
yeah. One third one.
Oh
yeah.
wow. Could
But
be
no
so
drilling.
That's all
Use-
ready to go.
You use the original holes that are there. You're gonna grab this side.
All right, I don't have gloves on. I'm just
You don't
showing
need it.
that
It's
way.
okay. There it is.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, now go slow because we got lighting connections here. We gotta disconnect.
I got her.
Okay. Set her down, boy.
Move that carpet.
There you go. Nice. Wow. That's it. That's how it's. See, look at this.
Someone's initial right there. Someone had to put this X right here. Like, yup, lines up.
Yep, all good.
Lines
See,
up.
that's the front splitter right there.
Carbon fiber?
Yep, all
Real
carbon fiber. 100%.
How low is that gonna bring you down though?
Only this. It's just the thickness of the
that.
splitter. Yeah. And then I got new grills. Grills are going in. What do you think? Camaro's getting a plow. What do you think?
I say you could do it, dude. You could definitely do that.
Jamie's gonna get a big 3,500 truck for 8 grand. Mint too, by the way.
You know, it can't be too old. It's gotta be young. So Jamie wants to get into the snow plowing business?
He says, Jib, I would never get something as old as your truck. There it is. The Wrangler JK Sport with a ruby sticker on it. This is like, it reminds me of Alicia's Jeep. You guys have Jeeps together. All right, so here's what we gotta do, Benjamin. All right, this thing, this is your little scraper to tell you when you're too low. This has to come off. JB's doing landscaping.
This is hot day to do landscaping.
All right, okay. That's all you gotta do. Pry it up.
There it goes. That was a good sound.
Just rip it off.
Now you got some grip.
There we go.
Never thought you'd be doing this one day.
Nope.
Manhandling.
What do we do with this now? Keep it?
Keep it.
In case you want to put it back on, you gotta get a plastic welder.